Hi, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to show you about blacksmithing. Colonial times. This was an important one in the colonial settlements. Swords and wood make colonial iron items. They made with hammers, horses, and I forgot the last one.
Nails.
Nails. They made 40 smiths a day.
40 cents.
40 cents a day. I don't know what this is though.
That's a hook. Turn it around.
Hook.
There you go. Okay.
No. I'm going to set it down. You're under there. But I'm done with them. I'm going to move them back into their place. My horseshoe. Here. This is a heavy one. A nail.
What do they do with the nail?
Hammer it down.
Do they make the nail into other things?
Yes. With this hammer, I can't even lift. What is this?
That is a knife. Please be careful.
This is a knife.
Yes.
You can see the lovely design on it here. Ooh, it's kind of shiny right there.
Yep.
I don't know what this is though.
That's used to make other things. You can make nails out of that.
This is used to make other things. Your nails. Because it kind of looks like a nail already, doesn't it? Oh, this is not a knife.
No, that's just a decorative leaf.
It's not. It doesn't feel like it's made out of leaf. What is it made out of?
Iron.
Oh. What is it?
It's just a decoration.
Just a decoration. See? Careful.
That's a forged hammer. All right, set it down gently.
Because that's heavy.
All right, what's your favorite thing?
The horseshoe puzzle. Come on. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about blacksmithing today.